So I got the engine pretty well installed in this, but that ain't what this video is about today. We're going to be changing the clutch master freight cylinder on this square body. It's located right over here. Let me see if I can get you a better view. That's it. You see it's held on by 2 bolts, and underneath the dash it does have a kind of a bar that attaches to the pedal. You need to remove that bar first thing before you take it loose up here. You also will need to take loose your line that's attached to it. That line runs to your freight cylinder on the bell housing. So one of the reasons I'm replacing my freight cylinder is because mine is frozen. You know, most people replace them because they either ain't holding pressure or you having a kind of a soft pedal issue. But this truck's set a while, and underneath here, if you can see, up at my rod, I know it is, it's bent. You see it? My freight cylinder is not moving at all. So if you notice, this is held on by just a little clip. Take you some needle noses, pull it loose. Come over here, and this should flip out. If you look, you can see I'm just taking the wheel one way. Put that rod straight off. Back up front, you can take a brake line wrench and undo your line. That's right here. 9/16 was the size for my brake line. The little bolts, you got 2, one here. They are 13mm. That's what fits these. You should be able to loosen them. Oh God, those is tight, very tight. I'm not going to be able to break these while holding the camera. Once you get it undone, make sure you get everything moved out of your way so you can pour it out. We got the 2 taps off, the line undone, and the upper hose undone for the reservoir. It should pour straight out because we do got it off on the pedal. And it's not pouring straight out. Now, on the side note, my pedal is bent, my rod is, so I might have to go under the dash and straighten it up. So this is the one that came out of mine. It's actually started working now since I actually let the fluid and the stuff off. Every now and again it still sticks, you can see. But yeah, that's odd, especially after it just got a clutch and pressure plate and everything installed in it. I wouldn't think it would have bent. Like, it should have blew the rubber hose off of it before this bent. So I'm pretty sure it was frozen and just, I guess, yeah, that's for. Yeah, I can't even get it go down now. Yeah, so I guess this was bad. Yeah, that goes. And then bad. That goes. Got a hitch on it, and yeah, but that's how you remove it. It's pretty simple. It installs the same way that you just took it off. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to drop a like, smash that subscribe button to show your support for my channel. Leave a comment. Enjoy hearing from every one of you, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.